Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Saturday, August 8th, 2026 at 13:42, and today we have our Day 2 outlook to look at for tomorrow. Before we get started, I would just like to say that I do apologize if I get interrupted in this video, as I am still getting reception from NOAA weather radio stations that I don't typically receive anymore thanks to my solar panels, so I'm going to take that advantage and get some alerts off of them if I ever am able to. So, anyway, tomorrow we have a slight risk that encompasses much of central South Dakota. We have another slight risk that encompasses eastern Iowa, southwestern Wisconsin, northern and central Illinois, Indiana, and southwestern Michigan. We have a marginal risk that encompasses parts of western Ohio, southern Michigan, parts of northeastern Kentucky, central to eastern Indiana, central Kentucky, extreme northeastern Missouri, central to northern Iowa, southern Wisconsin, southern Minnesota, northeastern Nebraska, eastern, much of South Dakota, and southern North Dakota. Southern to central North Dakota, I should say. So we have those areas under a marginal risk. We also have parts of southern Arizona under a marginal risk. We also have parts of eastern Tennessee, southern Virginia, western North Carolina, northwestern and the upstate of South Carolina, and northeastern Georgia. So we have those areas under a marginal risk. We also have parts of northern Maine under a marginal risk. So we have those areas as well under a marginal. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for tomorrow. That is not for me. We have Chicago, Aurora, Rockford, Naperville, and Joliet under the slight, and Indianapolis, Charlotte, Milwaukee, Tucson, and Toledo under the marginal. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for tomorrow. Tomorrow we have a 2% tornado risk that encompasses parts of eastern Iowa, southwestern Wisconsin, central to northern Illinois, northwestern Indiana, and southwestern Michigan. So we have those areas under a 5% or 2% for tomorrow, We have Chicago, Aurora, Rockford, Naperville, and Joliet under the 2%. So we could see an EF0 tornado possible in the 2% area tomorrow. Going into the wind threat for tomorrow, we have a 5% hatch that encompasses central South Dakota, and a 15% hatch that encompasses central South Dakota, and 15% normal that encompasses southern South Dakota. We also have a 15% normal that encompasses parts of eastern Iowa, central to northern Illinois, southwestern Wisconsin, northwestern Indiana, and southwestern Michigan. We have a 5% that encompasses eastern Ohio, southern Michigan, southern Wisconsin, southern Minnesota, much of South Dakota, southern North Dakota, northeastern Nebraska, central to southern Iowa, extreme northeastern Missouri, central Illinois, central and eastern Indiana, northeastern Kentucky, and western Ohio. We also have a 5% that encompasses southern Arizona. We also have another 5% over here encompassing eastern Tennessee, northeastern Georgia, northwestern and the upstate of South Carolina, and western North Carolina, and southern Virginia. And we also have another 5% up here that encompasses central Maine, central to northern Maine, I should say. So we have those areas as well under a 5% for tomorrow. We have Mitchell, Pierre, and Huron under the significant severe. Chicago, Aurora, Rockford, Naperville, and Joliet under the 15%. And Indianapolis, Charlotte, Milwaukee, Tucson, and Toledo under the 5%. So for the 15% hatched area, we could see 60 to 80 mile per hour wind gusts possible tomorrow. 15% normal, we could see 60 to 75 mile per hour wind gusts possible tomorrow. 5%, we could see 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts possible tomorrow, so please be mindful of that. Going into the hail threat for tomorrow, we have a 5% that encompasses much of central South Dakota and going into southern and central North Dakota. So we have those areas as well under a 5% for tomorrow. We have Rapid City, Bismarck, Aberdeen, Mandan, and Jamestown under the 5%. So we could see 1 to 2 inch downward hail possible in the 5% area tomorrow. Going into the summer for tomorrow, it says scattered damaging winds may occur Sunday from eastern Iowa across northern Illinois and Indiana. A concentrated area of damaging wind and hail is also expected over much of South Dakota. So I do really hope you stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow. There's tomorrow's hail risk. There's tomorrow's wind risk. There's tomorrow's tornado risk. There's tomorrow's day 2 outlook. So I do really hope you stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow. Yes, even if you are under a marginal risk for tomorrow, you still want to remain weather aware and safe, as you never know what these storms could do in the marginals. Anyway, I do really hope you have a great rest of your day, stay weather aware and stay safe, and I will go over this outlook again tomorrow morning when it becomes day 1. In the meantime, stay weather aware, stay safe, and take care.